This video will show a basic setting method of logging. Before getting started with the configuration, we'll explain an overview of logging. First, create the variable associated with the device address using the variables feature. Next, create the group at the logging feature. Register variables in this group. Then decide when to collect data and how much data to store. If you want to display logging data on HMI, place a trend graph object and assign the logging group and variables. That's it for the setting procedure. Let's take a look at the actual settings. This time, log 6 variables that operate at regular intervals, like this. Select the logging feature and create the logging group. Assign 6 variables to the logging group list. Next, determine the collection timing, this time set to automatically collect every 100 milliseconds. Open a screen and place a trend graph object. Register the logging group created earlier. Assign variables registered in the logging group. Please note that an error will occur if assigning a variable that is not registered in the logging group. After assigning the other 5 variables in the same way, let's check the operation. Six variables were collected in the HMI's memory and displayed in trend graphs. However, the graph ends in the middle. This is because the data collection amount is small. Open the logging feature and increase the max record in the logging group settings. The graph can now be displayed to the end. There are also operations when saving is full and saving as the logging global settings. The default setting, overwrite all data, overwrites the oldest data with the newest data when the amount of data setting max record is exceeded. When set to stop logging, the collection will automatically stop when the amount of data setting max record is exceeded.